Have you ever enjoyed the delightful experience of dim sum, savoring its many intricate parcels and bites, and wondered about some of the unique textures and flavors? Perhaps a delicate, slightly chewy wrapper that isn't quite dough or noodle caught your attention. What exactly was that ingredient, and how does it play such a crucial role? Bean curd skin, also known as tofu skin or yuba, is primarily used in dim sum as a versatile wrapper or as a layered ingredient to create various textures and hold flavorful fillings. It serves as an edible casing for an array of ingredients, adding its own subtle taste and distinct mouthfeel to popular dishes. The magic of bean curd skin comes from its origin. It is the film that forms on the surface when soy milk is boiled without stirring. This film is carefully lifted and dried, resulting in thin, delicate sheets. Its neutral flavor makes it an excellent canvas for absorbing the rich sauces and seasonings of dim sum fillings, while its texture, ranging from tender and silky when fresh to slightly chewy when rehydrated or fried, provides a pleasing contrast to other ingredients. In dim sum kitchens, bean curd skin is commonly used to create what are often called bean curd skin rolls, or phu pei gen. These can be filled with a savory mixture of minced pork, shrimp, and vegetables, then steamed until tender, or sometimes deep-fried for a crispy exterior. It also appears in vegetarian dim sum options, encasing mushrooms and various greens, offering a satisfying and substantial bite without meat. Beyond its role as a simple wrapper, bean curd skin's versatility allows for different preparations. Fresh bean curd skin is typically softer and more pliable, ideal for steaming, while dried versions, once rehydrated, can achieve a slightly firmer, chewier texture or become delightfully crisp when fried. This adaptability allows chefs to achieve a wide range of culinary effects, from delicate steamed parcels to crunchy textural elements. Ultimately, bean curd skin is an unsung hero of the dim sum table, providing a unique, flavor-absorbing medium that beautifully complements both meat and vegetable fillings. It enhances the overall dining experience with its distinct texture and ability to carry other flavors, truly enriching the diverse and delicious world of dim sum.